Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to yet another video of BuildPro Global Enterprise YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to show you how to insert blocks in a floor plan. Okay, this video is actually part of a video series that shows you how to create a simple floor plan using AutoCAD. However, in this particular video, we're going to learn how to insert blocks in the floor plan using AutoCAD. Without any waste of time, let's get started. I do copy these blocks from some previous drawings that I did earlier on into any new drawing that I'm doing. You can just do a simple Google search, go to Google and type free AutoCAD blocks. There will be so many sites where you can go and download all these blocks free of charge. You can download them and keep them in a folder somewhere for future use. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to import blocks from a certain drawing I did earlier on. I'll simply head over to open. Okay, on my menu button over here, I'll click and come to open. Now I'm going to locate the drawing. Now on this directed over here on my computer drawing, this is the drawing over here. Okay, I'll click on it, then I click on open to open it. Now this drawing is opening alongside the other drawing I was working on. You can see this is the new drawing I opened over here with the name block. This other one here is the drawing I was working on. Let me come back to this drawing I just opened. If I want to copy some blocks like this one over here, representing furnitures into the drawings I'm doing presently. Now to do that, I'll simply tile my window vertically or horizontally by going to the view tab. I'll click on view tab, then I'll come to tile vertically. Now all the windows I've opened will be tiled vertically. Now this is the drawing I'm working on presently, and this is my start page. And this is the drawing I want to copy some blocks from. Now to copy this block, I'll simply highlight the block I want to copy and drag it over to the window of the drawing I'm working on and release it. And the block will be copied into that drawing. Now let me copy these other two seaters as well. By highlighting them, then I drag them over to the drawing I want to copy them in. Release it to place the furnitures. So I also need a dining table and chairs over here. I'll click on it and drag it into my drawing. Let me also pick this bed. I'll click on it and drag it over to my drawing. In the same way, I'm going to pick or copy everything I want. When I'm through with copying everything that I want, I'll now close this window here. Then I maximize the window I'm working on here. I can now easily arrange these blocks. Now what I'm going to do next is to take this dining table into my building here. I'll now select the dining table and pick my move command and move it into the building. I'll now highlight it once again and pick the rotate command so I can rotate it properly. Now I'm left with my bed over here. I will now copy it into my building. I'll place another instance here again. Then I press escape after I'm done. I can now delete this. So that's how to copy blocks from another drawing to set up your own drawing. You can as well download these blocks from the internet using a simple Google search. Thank you for watching. Please endeavor to click on the subscribe button below to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye.